Hello guys, in the last video we have seen few examples on the basis of this typecasting, especially implicit typecasting. Now we are going to see more examples on the same implicit typecasting now in this video. Now check this one. For example, byte B is equal to 127. Now tell me, valid or invalid? Sys not outed println no P. Valid or invalid? Let us check this. Definitely valid. Java C space test.java, no compilation error. Output will be which one here? 127. It's okay, fine. Now I am providing 128. 128. Valid or invalid? Now here we have to check it. Valid or invalid? Byte B is equal to 128. I assign. We know already byte to data type range is which one? Minus 128 to plus 127. This is the range of the byte. But which value I am trying to assign? No. Which value I am trying to assign to the byte data type? No. 128 I am trying to assign. That means it is an outside range of the byte. Now tell me, is it valid or not? Right, so now let me check this example here. Here we are getting an error. What exactly the error message? Now try to read this. Incompatible types colon possible lossy conversion from which type? No, into to byte. Possible lossy conversion from into to byte. Possible lossy conversion from into to byte. What is the meaning of this one? Int. I did not specify anything like integer, but still I am getting error like which one? Into to byte. So here the reason is which one? If we provide any value which is greater than the max value of the respective data type, if we provide any constant, any value which is greater than the max value of the respective data type, that value will be treated of the next higher data type. That value will be treated as which one? Then next higher data type. For byte and short, next higher data type is which one here? No, only integer. That's why error here we are getting possible lossy conversion from into data type 2 like which one here? Byte to data type. So incompatible types, possible lossy conversion from into to byte. Why? Because 128 is exceeding max value of the byte. Because of that reason that 128 will be treated as which one here? No, is an integer data type. No, that's why here we are getting this error clearly. Right, sir. This is what exactly the reason why we are getting this compilation error directly. Right, sir. Good. Possible lossy conversion from into to byte. That's fine. Next example. One more example. Now try to recognize this. Byte B is equal to 60. Tell me, sir. It is a very simple example. Byte B is equal to 60. Tell me, sir, what is the status of this one? Will you get any compilation error? Will you get any compilation error? No. We are not going to get any compilation error. Java C test.java. That's fine. Java space test getting output like this. Fine. That's fine. Now listen carefully. Now see this one. Byte B1 is equal to 60. Fine. Byte B2 is equal to 70. Fine. No problem. Byte B is equal to B1 plus B2 semicolon. Now system.out.println of B. Tell me, sir, what exactly the status of this program? Tell me, you have to think about it. Byte B1 is equal to 60. Byte B2 is equal to 70. Byte B is equal to B1 plus B2. Byte B is equal to B1 plus B2. System.out.println of B. Here we are providing. Now tell me, what is the status of this one? Right, sir. Now let me check this. I think so. We are going to get compilation error. Java C space test.java. Here we are getting compilation error. Incompatible types, possible lossy conversion from into type to byte to type. Good. We might be thought, B1 value is which one? 60. B2 value is which one? 70. Here, B1 plus B2. B1 plus B2 means that 60 plus 70. What is the resultant? No, 60 plus 70, that will be 130. 130 is exceeding max value of the byte. 130 is exceeding max value of the byte. So that max value of the byte in exceeding max value of the byte in the sense, automatically that number will be treated as which one, then integer type. So integer type cannot be assigned to the byte data type. You might be thought like this. So because of that reason might be you thought compilation error here we are getting. It's okay. Now anyway, later on I will reveal what exactly the reason why we are getting error. So your thought is which one, 130 is exceeding max value of the byte, that's why we are getting compilation error. Okay, keep this point in our mind here. Definitely that reason is not right reason. That reason is not reason. I'll give clarity. Now check this now. Now this time I want to provide byte B1 is equal to 30, byte B2 is equal to 30. B1 and B2 both are 30, 30. Okay, byte B is equal to B1 plus B2. System.out.println of B. Right, sir. Now in this scenario, B1 plus B2 value is which one? 30 plus 30. That means 60. 60 is available within the range of the byte or not? 60 is available within the range of the byte. Okay. Now as per our thought, now we are not going to get compilation error. As per our thought, previous example and present example, as per our thought, we should not get any compilation error. Java C space test.java. We should not get any compilation error as per our thought, whatever the logic you thought. But see this one here, here we are getting still compilation error. Still compilation error here we are getting. What exactly the compilation error? Incompatible types colon possible lossy conversion from int to byte. Possible lossy conversion from int to byte. Still we are getting the same error. Actually B1 type is which one there? B1 value 30, B2 value 30. 30 plus 30 60. 60 is within the range of the byte only. But still we are getting compilation error. Why? Why we are getting compilation error? Right. Here I will give one reason. Not exactly the addition of the two values and their resultant value is within the limit or external. No, this is not the reason here. What exactly the reason? No. If we add two data type variables, the resultant data type may not be of the same data type. The resultant data type may be of the next higher data type. Please remember this point. If we add two data type variables, then the result of the respective operation may not be of the same data type and it may be of the next higher type. This type of reasons here we are able to get. Some rules and regulations are available regarding this addition of the two data type variables. What exactly the reasons here? Try to understand this clearly. Here I will give some reason now. One simple example here I will provide there. Try to understand it. Let's assume x, y and z are three primitive data types. X, y and z are three primitive data types. Here x plus y is equal to z. I added x and y. The resultant type is which one? Then z. Here what are the various conditions? Condition number 1. If both x and y belongs to byte, short, int, then z must be int. That's fine. If both x and y belongs to byte, short, int, then z must be int. This is mandatory. Now rule number 2. Observe carefully. If either x or y are both belongs to long, float, double. If either x or y are both belongs to long, float, double, then z must be which one can know? Higher of x, y. Then z must be which one here? Higher of x, y. Higher of x, y as per implicit typecasting chart. Implicit typecasting chart we provided now. As per that implicit typecasting chart, which one is a higher data type between x and y? Automatically the same data type is available for the next data type, resultant data type now. So here the point is which one? If both x and y belongs to byte, short to int, then z should be integer type. If either x or y are both belongs to long comma float and double, then z must be higher of x comma y as per implicit typecasting chart, as per implicit typecasting chart, that higher of x comma y. Examples I am telling there. For example, byte plus byte, here what is the resultant now? Int we are able to get. Next one is byte plus short, byte plus short, if I provide there, int is the resultant now. Int plus int, still here we are able to get which one here now? Integer type. Next one is byte plus long, if we are getting there, higher of byte comma long. Higher of byte comma long is which one here? Definitely long is a higher here. So here we are able to have which one there now? Long. Let's say for example, int plus long. So int plus long is coming to which one there? No, long float double group here. So here int plus long in the sense. Next higher type is which one here? No, long only. Let's say for example, long plus a float. Tell me sir, long plus a float is which one here? No, higher data type. That is float only. Here we are able to get. Next one is a float plus a double. Then which output here? Which resultant here we are able to get? No, double is the resultant here we are able to get. Why? Because between float and double, definitely double is which